Guys, what's up? So I am currently still in Utah. So I found this amazing spot. The sunset here today was absolutely amazing at this spot. So I want to bring my buddy James back so that we can camp at this spot together. He's off doing some stuff, so I'm here by myself. But the plan is I'm gonna cook some dinner and then kind of relax a little bit, do a little bit of editing, and edit some photos and some videos and stuff like that. And then tomorrow, me, James, and his wife are supposed to head to the Tetons. That's the game plan for now, but we'll see what happens. So we're gonna go ahead and head out there. But right now, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go ahead and start making me something to eat. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, my name is Garrett. And I know this video is shorter, but this is definitely the style that I want to start taking the channel more towards, just like the overlanding and the camping scene. So if you guys like this, definitely like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. And it's cool to be able to make these videos. I watch these videos all the time, and to be able to put together one of my own, no matter how short it was, just to be able to put together one of my own definitely is definitely something that I'm super proud of. So if you guys want to see more of these in the future, definitely let me know in the comment section below, and I will definitely start putting more of these together and posting more often. If you guys are interested, definitely check out the description. I've definitely got all my discount codes and my sponsors down there. I did actually pick up a new sponsor, which is the people that made this this hoodie, which is called Venustus, I believe. So this is a heated hoodie. I wear this thing all the time. And then you just got a battery pack. You just charge that thing up and put it in there. The jacket's awesome. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link down below. You guys can use my discount code and save some change off of that. I do have some more 4Runner content coming that I'm definitely working on. So you guys keep an eye out for that. And thank you guys for taking the time to watch the video, and I will catch you guys in the next one.